Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I got a little something going on. My baby in daycare now, and if you got listen, if you got a child, you understand. Daycare germs, they stronger than the bubonic plague, but I'm pushing through because mommy's a hustler. So, real quick, I have not been genuinely excited to try anything as far as hair products in a long time. Y'all know I be in the gym. I don't care nothing about no hair, but there's a brand that I actually really like. This ain't sponsored. She don't rock with influencers like that, which I totally understand because if I was a brand owner, I wouldn't rock with you healthers either because y'all be misinformed and being.
Are you done?
This is not a sponsored video, but this is a brand that I really actually like. It is the Doux. Black owned brand, black woman owned brand. She is actually licensed stylist as well. So yeah, her brand, I actually really like it. And so there's some new products. Well, they're not new, they just new to me that I decided to try. And I figured I might as well share the experience with y'all. And that is her B Girl collection. I'm gonna be honest with you, most of it was sold out by me because I'm buying it on Black Friday weekend. But I was able to piece together enough that I felt comfortable making a video, so let's get down into it. But real quick, they did not have a cleanser, so I'm actually going to shampoo my hair off camera. This video is going to focus on two products. That is number one, the Sweetest Thing Supercharged Honey Moisture Mask. This girl right here. And then the Crazy Sexy Curl Supercharged Honey All-in-One Setting Foam. Now, I was comfortable doing these two products because honestly, even though I want to do a twist out real bad, I know the girlies love wash and goes, Chad. And when it comes to a wash and go, I really don't like using a leave-in with a setting foam because it kind of softens an already soft holding product. It kind of just like, it's no point. So I'm comfortable moving forward with these two things. So with that being said, this intro is long enough. Let me get to shampoo my hair and then we'll get to style. Well, conditioning. Child, it's been so long since I did a review, I'm rusty. All right, my hair is washed. Let's get down into it. But first, let me tell you something. This shampoo right here, y'all not making enough noise for this. This is one of the best shampoos I've ever used. It's by Strains of Faith. It is their Divine Hydrating Shampoo. Line your favorite hydrating shampoo up that you have on the market. Put this next to it and they can go toe for toe. This is amazing. So if you're looking for a great shampoo cleanser, she bomb. All right, now speaking of bomb, let's hope this is bomb. This is the Doux B Girl Collection Sweetest Thing Supercharged Honey Moisture Mask, baby. They can put some names on these products. So this is for restoring the condition of the hair and scalp, hydrating beyond the cuticle layer to improve texture, reduce friction, bring back elasticity, and prevent breakage. We love it. So it has honey, aloe, vitamins B, C, and E, keratin, and silk amino acids. As far as curly girl method, if y'all still do that, it does have dimethicone. I am not against silicones. I think they get a bad rap, but if you are somebody that still follows that, just know it's in here. All right. As far as the texture, baby, this thing kind of chunky. What's going on here? I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. She thick. Okay, so I'm gonna just rub it together. It doesn't really have too much of a smell to me. It actually kind of smells like wax a little bit, if that makes sense. It's just, it doesn't have like a heavy fragrance. The consistency, it thins out, it goes on like lotion. Oh, that feel kind of nice. Okay. So sometimes when I have conditioners that feel like lotion, they go on real lightweight and I'll be like, ooh, that's a little scary. But this actually goes on kind of thick. It feel like it's really coating to my strands, and I like that so far. Yeah, that went on real nice. Now keep in mind, I'm not in the shower. Your experience under running water will probably be better, but for me to be sitting here filming because I ain't taking no camera in the bathroom, amen, praise God. That went on nicely. I wish it had a little bit more of a smell, but I could also be tripping because I'm sick, but that's a whole nother issue. Now, as far as the directions go, soak in wet hair and scalp, detangle and process for 15 to 30 minutes. For an intense treatment, use a plastic cap or a hair steamer. Now, I've been kind of pulling away from hair content. Ain't been as playful because, you know, I was going through the trenches. However, I said because it's been a minute, I throw it back one time for the one time. I hate doing it, but you know, we got to please the girls. So with that being said, I have a special friend that I absolutely hate. She hate me, but y'all love us together. So we're going to put it together real quick. So introducing to some, presenting to others, this raggedy, atrocious cap that y'all seem to get down with. Y'all say, hey, Samantha, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Samantha. I resent having to do this. Okay, but there we go, baby. Let the hair be growing in real quick. Child, listen, and I just cut my hair off and it's growing back. So here's the thing. Okay, so they said 15 to 30 minutes. Use the plastic cap or a heat steamer. So I'm going to get under the dryer for 15 minutes. Let this do what it do. Since it is the Doux, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell you my experience. But so far, the way it slipped on and the slip that I felt, that was very, very promising. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I've detangled and sectioned my hair. I look like the child and don't be a menace, but you just mind your business. All right, so this is the Doux B-Girl Collection Crazy Sexy Curl Supercharged Honey All-in-One Setting Foam. It's meant to detangle, condition, define, hold, and shine. As far as the directions go, for best results, do not apply oil to the hair before applying this product. Apply a liberal amount to clean, damp hair in small sections. Smooth from root to end. Air dry, hood dry, or diffuse. Don't separate your curls until it's 100% dry. So we're gonna go with that. As far as the consistency, y'all, it's a styling foam. I mean, you seen one, you seen them all. It's bubbly, chat. The smell, oh baby, she gives honey. Okay, the mask that I got, it didn't have too much of a smell. This, oh yeah, it definitely got a smell. So let's get into styling. So I'm gonna just take this and put this on this entire section, but then I'm gonna break it down and apply it smaller. So here's what we're gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna just take that, and then from here I'm gonna take a smaller section, just run my fingers through, smooth it down, and just let it rest. And then I'm gonna do that again. This the one good thing about a mousse wash and go, or setting foam. Child, what's the difference between a mousse and a foam? Anyway, the good thing about that is it does not take long to apply, and you don't have to worry about flaking, so you can apply as much as you want to without having to worry about causing that crazy buildup. I see my curls already starting to spring. Okay, all right. Just take a small section. I kind of run my fingers through, and then I just let it bounce up. Can y'all see how it's starting to set already? For me, I won't be able to say much about this until it dries. So let me go ahead and apply this all over. I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like once it is set, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so the product is applied. I'm gonna come in and let you kind of see. I can tell by my ends, especially over here, that I got some definition going on, but I really, again, won't be able to judge it until my hair is completely dry. So what I'm gonna do is let my hair sit for probably a good 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to diffuse my hair the rest of the way. Dry, I'm gonna flip my head upside down, diffuse it, possibly fluff it at the roots if I feel like I need to, but bottom line, the next time y'all see me, my hair will be done. And we're done here. Okay, so first and foremost, let's state the obvious. Usually, you know, the influencer thing to do would be to come on with a full face of makeup, full glam. The way I was feeling in my body right now, I was like, we're gonna focus on the hair, and that's it. Just pretend I'm real beat. So this is my hair. Y'all can see it does have definition. Keeping in mind, I did not do anything to it. I have not picked my hair. I've not fluffed my hair. All I did was diffuse it upside down. Now, with moving the diffuser around, you can cause a little bit of frizz, which I did, but I don't mind it. I love voluminous hair. My final thoughts on everything. The sweetest thing, honey moisture mask. The thickness of it and the spreadability, I did not have to use a lot, but I also don't have a lot of hair, so ignore that fact that I already said that. Now, keeping in mind that technique is just as important as the product that you use. On soaking wet hair with heat, this is an instant staple for me. It was very, very moisturizing. It had enough slip to make detangling easy, and I noticed that my elasticity was really, really helped with this. So the fact that this is moisture and protein for me was strengthening. I don't even want to say protein. Between the keratin, the vitamins, the honey, all of that, this is a very, very good product. But again, your technique will impact your results. This is fire. Next, the Crazy Sexy Curl Supercharged Honey All-in-One Setting Foam. Again, instant staple. This was amazing. I actually prefer this to Mousse Def that they have, which is the original styling product that they have as far as foams go. This is very much so good at definition. This also gives a nice hold. It gives you moisture. It gives you shine. I absolutely love this. And again, because it is a styling foam, you don't have to worry about adding too much and it leading to flaking and stuff like that. Overall, the B-Girl collection is bomb. I actually have a dedicated video to the styling custard. I actually really love that for washing goes. I just have to be careful with the amount I use as to not cause flaking. But again, if you want to avoid flaking, this works. So this is not a sponsored video. I just was really interested in this product because number one, I have a great amount of respect for the owner of the company. Number two, I pretty much have a good track record with these products as far as them as a brand. Like I have a good experience. I was hoping that I had a good experience with this, and once again, it was fire. And again, as a bonus, Strands of Faith, this shampoo, fire. Absolutely love it. This is a good wash day. Let me turn around, let you see the back. I actually have not even looked at the back, so I hope I don't look crazy. Zoom you in a little bit right there, and And boom, boom. This. Okay, let me not. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. And that's that on that. As far as the B-Girl collection goes with Miss Faye, absolutely love it. So with that being said, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece. Bye, child. Let me go get some water because I'm trying not to cough real bad.